Travis County elected officials may be able to get more help to pay for security. Those officials say they are facing more threats.
This comes as county leaders quietly set aside $115,000 to help District Attorney José Garza pay for security at his home. KVUE senior reporter Tony Plahetsky broke this story about the payments, and it's been tracking the fallout. So, Tony, talk to us about the new money that's being set aside and why those officials say they really need it.
So this is how this all went down. After revelations that we first reported about José Garza getting that money that was in part for his home security, State District Judge Julie Kasurik and other judges went to commissioners and said, wait just a minute, we're facing more threats too. And can you create a pot of money that would allow us the opportunity to help secure our homes if needed? Now, it's still being worked out what this $500,000 could exactly be used for. It's not, by the way, just for judges. It is for all elected officials. So anybody from the probate judges in Travis County to the tax assessor could have access to some of this money to help pay for things like their monthly security cameras on their home, the fees for that kind of monitoring.
We should note the judge that you mentioned, Julie Kasurik, actually was attacked.
Barely survived an assassination attempt. She was shot by a defendant in 2015 in her driveway of her home, and in the years since that has been a vocal advocate not only in Texas but nationally. In fact, she's receiving one of the nation's highest judicial honors this week for her work concerning safety for judges.
Well, Tony, this is a question a lot of people have been asking. Has the district attorney told us any more about what that $115,000 he got actually paid for?
Okay, so not only has he not told us, the truth is he's really doubled down on secrecy over the past few weeks. Keep in mind that on October 9th, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton's office, the Attorney General's office, ordered the county to release certain records that we have been asking for since the summer. Instead of releasing those records, what has happened now is that the county, including Garza, have now sued the Attorney General's office and Ken Paxton in State District Court here in Travis County. And so now we are potentially going to be looking at lengthy litigation that could span for months or longer. And what is really now becoming a growing battle over not just transparency, but a political battle too, between the Attorney General and the DA.
Is it possible that he doesn't want to say because it is security? Like, do you get that feeling at all?
Well, the foundation of his argument is, if I release this information, it would further jeopardize me. And what the Attorney General's office did was they actually delivered a mixed ruling. They said to us, you can't have a portion of those records because we agree that it would jeopardize his security. But this other trove of records, the county and Garza are not sufficiently stating their case that it would put him at risk. Keep in mind, what we are asking for and have been asking for is largely financial information, how much was spent, things that we agree that there is a balance between safety and information that is public information.
Right. We're not asking for detailed plans of the security plan. Yeah, we just want to know, did you spend this money?
But this was taxpayer money.
At the foundation of all of this is taxpayer public dollars. That's, of course, driving the public interest in all of this, and frankly, our interest.
Yeah. Well, we know you will stay on top of it, Tony, and keep us updated. Thank you for that update.
You bet.